What's up, y'all? It's your boy King, and I'm not feeling good right now. I'm in the bed. I just got out the shower again. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in a second. I know I always be pausing my videos like soon as I start. Soon as I start my video, I pause it. I know, but I be getting out the shower, and that be like the perfect time to film. Yeah, I'll see y'all in a second. Oh yeah, I drank some water. Tell me if I sound better in the comments. Yeah, I'm watching Gold Digger Prince by Nair. You feel me? Wait, hold on, y'all. Let me get it good for y'all. Y'all can see. Now y'all can see.
Nice to meet you. Why are you like by yourself? It's late.
You feel me? And make sure y'all go subscribe to him. Just like you gotta subscribe to SML Autumn. Yeah. I'm big fan. If you're really a big fan of me. Hey, shorty a little baddie. Hold on. Oh my god, this joke's so loud. Hey, shorty a little baddie. She my little boy thing. Shorty got the flatty. Shorty got the flatty. Shorty don't got no booty. You talking about? Yeah. But yeah, get Trey Slime, we gon' bust a nigga in his eye. Get Trey Slime, we gon' bust a nigga in his eye. But yeah, in 20 seconds, this video finna be over. I know my videos on bleed, but hey, I'm finna make an 8-hour video. Yeah, of myself sleeping. You feel me? I'm gonna set a timer for about 15 hours. You feel me? And yeah, you know, cause right now in Ocala, Florida, it is 1 o'clock at night. It's 1 a.m. And yeah, I mean, so after this video, I'm basically gonna upload another video. I'm not gonna be showing my face that much. You feel me? Let me get him. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing my face that much. Beautiful eyes. But yeah. I know y'all probably like, dang. So